If your ChatGPT conversation is missing, don't panic just yet. In this video, I'm going to show you the quickest way to check whether your conversation can still be recovered, and I'll also explain the important difference between archived chats and deleted chats. This is a super useful fix if you open ChatGPT and suddenly noticed a chat thread was gone, hidden, or not showing up where you expected it to be. Before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is go to ChatGPT and look for your profile icon, usually near the bottom of the screen or in the lower corner of the interface. Click on your profile first, because that's where the settings menu is located. A lot of people skip this step and spend time searching everywhere else, but the recovery options are usually hidden inside your account settings. Once you've clicked your profile, open Settings. This is where you can manage your account preferences, app behavior, and data-related options. If your conversation seems missing, Settings is the place you need to check because archived chats and chat history options are controlled from here. After you're in Settings, look for Data Controls. This section is important because it contains the features related to your ChatGPT history and stored conversations. If a chat is not showing up, it may not actually be deleted. It could simply be archived or hidden in a different part of the account data settings. Now click on Manage Archived Chats. This is the key step if you're trying to recover a conversation that disappeared from your main chat list. If the chat was archived, you should be able to find it here and bring it back. That's why this step matters so much. Many users think their conversation is lost forever, but in reality, it may just be sitting in the archived section waiting to be restored. When you open the archived chats area, check carefully for the conversation you want. If you see it there, that means it was archived and not permanently removed. From there, you can recover it by moving it back into your active chats. But here's the most important thing to understand. Only archived chats can be recovered this way. If the conversation was actually deleted, then it cannot be recovered through this menu. So if you're not seeing your chat in archived conversations, that usually means it was deleted, and deleted chats can't be restored from ChatGPT. That's why it's always a good idea to archive important conversations instead of deleting them when possible. Archiving keeps them safe and accessible later, while deletion removes them permanently. If you found your missing conversation, that's great. You've now checked the correct recovery path and verified whether the chat was archived or deleted. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more quick ChatGPT fixes and productivity guides. It really helps support the channel and lets me make more tutorials like this. And that's it. Now you know how to recover a missing ChatGPT conversation by checking your profile, opening Settings, going to Data Controls, and managing archived chats. Remember, archived chats can be recovered, but deleted chats cannot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.